Okay, we're gonna make some salsa verde. These are the ingredients. We have a red onion here. I'm gonna grill this. Tomatoes. Gonna grill these bad boys too. Some tomatillos. Just have to peel the husks. And some jalapenos. We're also gonna grill this. Stay tuned. See you at the grill. Time to blend up our salsa verde. I have all of the grilled ingredients here. I have our tomatoes, tomatillos. We have our grilled jalapenos. I have some garlic here, which I took out of the freezer. This is how I preserve my garlic when I don't use a lot of it. I also have the red onion. And we're gonna blend everything, even the stem. Same thing with the jalapenos. I have a bunch of garlic here, but I have a bunch of cilantro, but I'm only going to use half of this cilantro. Alright, let's get started. To make this easier, I'm just going to put on some gloves so I can grab everything. I already rinsed the cilantro, so take half, shove that in there, the whole onion, these are plum tomatoes, everything in, we're using about 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7 pieces of garlic, this is 3 whole jalapenos. You know me by now, I'm not a big fan of recipes, I kind of just eyeball everything. And we're gonna add the tomatillos. Got another piece of garlic. Okay. Now the fun part is we blend. To get this going, we're gonna need to add just a little bit of water and some salt. Just a little bit of salt.
Thank you.